Boys and girls watching, today we are going to do a fun art project today. Now, it's not very cold here today at all. It's been a little bit cold, but not that cold today. Where you are, it's probably really cold, but is it cold where you are to where you see these just waddling down the street? I don't think so. But wouldn't that be fun if we went outside and you could see them? Where do you normally see penguins? Where do they live?
In the Arctic.
In the Arctic. You would see them in the Arctic. So if you live in the Arctic, maybe that's where you would see a penguin. I don't know. I would see penguins at the zoo. That's usually where I see penguins, or at the zoo. But today we are going to make a paper or a project, and so we can have a penguin at our house. So we're going to do it. Now we're going to make it look like it is on a block of ice today. We're going to use a paper plate, and it's going to look like a block of ice. So, and boys and girls watching, your teacher, on-site teacher, has all these things for you. Some googly eyes, a paper plate, and you're going to get to cut out this project. So let's look at my penguin. Her name is Penny Penguin. Say hi, Penny Penguin. Hi, Penny Penguin is so cute. She's even got a bow. Some of the girls in this classroom wear a bow. Girls watching, maybe you even have a bow in your hair right now. Bows are so fun to wear. But this is Penny Penguin, and she has come to school, and we're going to cut her out today. Now, when we cut out, we're not going to cut her feet out. No, we're not going to cut off her cute little bow. We want her to wear her bow so we know that she is Penny Penguin. So when we cut her out, we're just going to cut around the black lines. We don't want to cut off anything else. Definitely want to keep that pretty bow in her hair. And we're going to cut around the black lines to make sure. Oh, look, I got to go so slow around those toes. I don't want to cut those toes off. Look at that. Her feet, and then, oh, and then I only have one piece of paper. Look, I can see right through it. One piece of paper, and that's what you're going to have. Boys and girls watching, are you going to have one piece of paper? Now, since Penny Penguin lives where it's very, where it's very cold, it probably means it is snowing there. So we're going to take our paper, our scrap paper, and we are going to make a snowball with it. A snowball, and then you can throw your snowball into the basket. That'll be fun today. Class, stand. Quietly turn your chair into the table, and boys and girls watching, you get ready as well to make Penny Penguin. And I'm going to throw my snowball in this basket right here to get ready. Go ahead and sit down. Once you have got your bottom on your bottom, your back on your back, and you're ready to do your project, go ahead and take out just Penny Penguin for right now. Inside their desk, boys and girls, is their paper plate. Maybe you have all your stuff out ready to go. But they have theirs in their cubbies inside their desk. All right. We also already have our scissors. You can get your scissors ready. Is it stuck in there? It should be in there. Let's look. Sometimes it just gets stuck. I see it. It is stuck all the way in the back. There it is. Next time, just reach all the way in the back. She was hiding from you. All right, pick up your scissors. The daddy goes in the little hole. Mommy is on top. The babies get tucked inside the big hole. And remember, we're going to use our scissors in the hand that we always write in. So if you're left-handed, it goes in your left hand. If you're right-handed, you go in your right hand. It's okay. Is it wet? I don't know how it got wet. Was your hands wet? There you go. All right. There you go. All right. Go ahead and pick up your paper and start cutting around the black lines. Remember, we want to keep Penny's bow in her hair. We want to keep her cute little feet there. And just cut around the black lines. And then you can make a snowball with the scrap paper. You're getting so big. Cutting out your own papers. You're doing a great job. What do you think penguins like to eat? They do. They do like to eat fish. They do. I like to, when I get to watch things like documentaries and things that show you about the penguins, and they go and they just slide, and they're so fast. They slide down that ice into that cold water. It's so fun to watch them. Or when do they walk, or how did they usually walk? What do they, yes, they wobble. They look so cute as they wobble. They're so fun to watch. And they can swim in the water, and then they come right back up, and they don't even freeze. God just made them so special. They can just be out there where it's so cold. Good job. Look at this girl. She's learning how to cut. She's learning. And she put her snowball in to the basket. Way to go, Lauren. High five. I like that hard work. Oh, you didn't make it into a snowball. It works better. Put your scissors down first so you don't get hurt. There you go. Good. And then you can put it in. Good. Good job. Nice work. Okay, make your scrap paper into a snowball. Nice. How you coming, boys and girls watching? You have it cut out already? Are you working on it? Good. These two have theirs cut out. Can I tuck your tummies in? There we go. Good job, Jonathan. He's working on it. Good, Elijah. He did it. Okay, nice job, Joseph. Go ahead and crumple it up. Put it right in there. Make a snowball. Okay, good. Right, when you have your penguin all cut out, when Penny's all cut out, you can leave her right there on top of your table, and your scissors back down on your name tag. And then your eyes are right on me so that I know you're ready for the next step. Oh, make your snowball. Whose paper is this? Make it into a snowball. Whose was this? Yours? Okay, make it into a snowball for Miss Stewart first. Good. All right. Joseph, I like how your hands are in your lap and you're waiting for Mrs. Stewart. I like how Lucia's hands are in her lap and she's waiting. Good. Nice work. Good job. All right, let's look at our next step. Now let's look at this Penny penguin right here. She looks like she is standing on a block of ice right here. And you say, but that's just a paper plate. Well, it is, but we're going to make it look like a block of ice. So let me show you. We're going to take our paper plate, and you have yours in your desk. Boys and girls watching, maybe your on-site teacher's about to hand you yours, or maybe you already have yours. And do you see how it has those ridges right here? We are going to fold it in half. Let me show you. We're going to fold it right in half, and it almost makes like a taco. Oh, it's so yummy. I love tacos. Look right here. We're going to fold it in half, see? Just like this. That's funny, isn't it? Miss Stewart has butterfingers today. Things are slipping and sliding. Look right here. See? And we're going to fold it together, and we get to squeeze it right here where it's smooth. This part's not smooth. This part is all those ridges. But where it's smooth right here, you get to smooth it down like this. And then I just want you to put it down next to Penny Penguin for just a minute. So go ahead and take your paper plate. Take it out of your desk. You can put it down on the table to fold it. It might be easier for you. I know how to do it, so I can do it in the air. But if it's easier for you, put it down on the table, and then you can fold it over like this, and then fold it over. Maybe have you ever helped Mommy fold towels? And how you have it down flat and you have to fold one side over to the other side? It's like folding a towel. Good. And then you can put it down just like that. Now, I'm going to take this penny down for just a minute because I'm going to use the clip so that you can see. all of you have some glue at your table. Watch Mrs. Stewart. The part up here, the part that's smooth, that part is away from me. So everybody put your plate where the opening is towards your tummy, and this part right here is away from you. It's closer to your name tag. So if I had it by my name tag, look right here. If it was by my name tag, the smooth part's by the name tag, and the ridge part is towards me. See that? So do that now with your paper plate. You don't have to put it all the way near your name tag because I don't want you to get glue on your name tag. You can put it near you, but that's just the direction. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take Peter Pointer, eyes on me. Follow Peter Pointer. Okay, look at my Peter Pointer. I'm going to take my Peter Pointer, I'm putting it all inside here. And then I'm going to rub it just right here, not on the part that has the ridges, but just right here on the smooth part. I'm going to put lots of glue there. So you might have to put your finger in here twice. And you're going to put lots of glue in there just like that. And then when you're done, you're going to take Penny Penguin and watch. Do you see where the back part is, the black part right here? Let me show you. There's the black part. You don't see her face or her bow. But right here, I'm going to put it right on top. Now, let me show you something. See this part right here? See her top part? It's not sticking on the plate. You want it to stick up from the plate. Can you see that? See how I have it sticking up from the plate? Look at this one. It's sticking up from the plate. So you want to just make sure that her tummy and her toes are the part that's glued down, but it's glued on the back side, the black part. So see if you can do that now. Get out your glue. Take your glue cup. Put glue all in the middle. All on the part that's smooth. Put all in the smooth part. Not on the penguin, but on your plate. Let me get another plate. I'm folding it down. I'm putting my glue right here. Jonathan, see that? Right here. You can do it. You're big. Put your finger in there. Get lots of glue on there. All right, put your cup down. Hold your plate. Now rub glue all in the thing. See, you can do it. And then you put your Penny Penguin right on top. Penny Penguin right on top. And then take it, that's a lot of glue, Lucy. I think you got it. Go ahead and put Penny Penguin on there. You got it. And then you can do like this, like we always do to get the glue off and make those funny glue things on our hands to get the glue off your fingers. And then put Penny Penguin right on top. But we're not done with our glue yet. We still got more fun things to do with glue. Oh, just the black part. Put the black part on. If you cover up Penny Penguin, then you won't be able to glue your eyes on there. See? Right there on top. Just like that. Good. All right. Jonathan, hurry. Put Penny Penguin on there before your glue dries. And then you can smush it down like this so it stays down. Good. Now put it flat because we're about to put eyes on there. And if you do that, then it's going to make the eyes slide off. All right. Does everybody have their Penny Penguin on their plate? Boys and girls watching, is it all done on there? Good. Now we get to do the next step. So let me show you our next step. Our next step is, we're going to put the eyes on there. So watch me. I'm going to take some glue. Oh, I like how Johanna's eyes are right on me. Oakley, are you watching so you can put your eyes on? I'm going to take Peter Pointer. I'm going to put glue on my finger again. I'm going to put right here on the X's. Put glue right on the X's. Then I'm going to pick up my eyes, Boys and girls watching, the boys and girls have theirs right on their name tag. Maybe you have yours in a little baggie, or your teacher will hand you yours. And we're going to take our eyes, I don't know if you can see those, the eyes, and you're going to stick it right on the X's where you put the glue. 1, 2. And now Penny Penguin has her eyes, just like that. Go ahead and do that now. And then you can rub the glue off again. I would do one at a time. Put the eyes. Put enough glue on there so that the eyes will stick. You don't want your eyes to fall off. You may have to push it down a little bit. That helps it to stay on there. Oh, it's so much fun when you get to do these art projects all by yourself. I think you might need a little more glue on that one. Let's see how we're doing over here at table 3. Just use one finger. One finger. I think you got enough glue on there. Go ahead and put your eyes on there now. Yep, you got good. Oh, good. You have plenty of glue there. All right, Kyla, hurry up before that glue dries. Put your eyeballs on there. Oh, so fun. Look at this girl. She has her eyes on. Penny Penguin looks adorable. She's ready to play in the snow. So fun. Good job, Kayla. All right, Cyrus, get those eyeballs on. Put it flat, Mila, so that the eyes don't fall off. Oh, this was such a fun project. Now you have your very own penguin to play with at your house. Oh, she is just so cute. I like penguins. So fun. Boys and girls watching, I hope you enjoyed this project today. Maybe you could decorate at your house with it. So much fun. Keep working hard today in all you do.